Hello everyone. Here we are on a Monday. It is a Monday, the 21st of October 2019. About 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And here we are flying around the Sheets project on Carlisle Street again today. Quite a bit of activity going on down at the job site today. A lot of trucks setting around. It looks like they might be pouring a cement walkway around the outside of the building. There's a cement truck sitting over there, and he has his chute out, so I'm assuming they're pouring cement there someplace. So the same applies as all the other videos. There'll be a link down in the comment section to get you back towards the previous video, see what might have changed since the last time. And also, if you wait to the end of the video, the flag will come into play down at Perkins Restaurant. You can see how windy it is. Just a little breezy today. The wind's coming in out of the northwest, and it's not real breezy, but it's coming in there. So have a good day, everyone. We'll catch you later. Goodbye.